Hello guys, welcome to another video of this platform. So in this video we're going to be reviewing a certain platform called Texting Factory and see if it's worth your time and whether it's legit or not. Now I've heard for a long time about this thing called Texting Factory, but I never got a chance to kind of reviewing it, to kind of apply on it. But today I decided to kind of check it out to see if it is the same thing that what actually people are talking about, right? So now Texting Factory, what happens is that it is more like a chat moderation website, right, where you will be doing or chatting with strangers, doing flirting and other things. So I think it is basically the same, right? There's other chat moderator websites out there like Cloud Workers, Chat Writers, E-Moderators, and some of the websites that I've reviewed on this channel. So now as the chat moderator, of course, you'll be working from home, right? You'll need maybe a computer, sometimes maybe the phone. I don't know what they allow here, but I think a computer and an internet will be just enough, right? You will be, after all, chatting with a bunch of strangers on this website. But again, chat moderation is not as as good as people think of it, but it is actually more flirtatious, and if you're not that kind of a person, you might find that it is actually very uncomfortable and difficult to do. But for some people, I mean, they do it anyway, right? It's more like if you are used to chatting on Facebook, on YouTube, or type different types of comments, but now here you'll be actually doing the flirting, right? And again, these chat moderators are not the first, right? For the past years, of course, we always had this kind of a I don't know what to call, telephone or something like that, where people will be calling a bunch of people, especially a bunch of ladies who will be doing flirting and stuff, and they pay to do that. I don't know if it still happens in the States, but it does happen online, especially on these chat moderation websites. So you'll be talking with a bunch of lonely people, mostly on a bunch of topics, just mostly generic topics, of course, as I've said, flirtatious. So in order to be part of the team, you have to be fluent in English, and you have to be over 18 years old, and you have to own your own device. They don't need any experience either way. So they do have they train about 25,350 chat moderators every year. The courses that are available, 57 messages sent daily, 144,000. Application success rate is 95%. I don't know, man. I don't know about that, but yeah, that's what they say. So these are some of the workers that actually work in this chat moderation website, right? So these are the testimonials, right? This one says, I'm currently working as a chat moderator. Personally, I really like the flexible schedule, supportive team, and potential, and the weekly paycheck. I would definitely recommend this job to a friend. Yeah, they do kind of it does kind of works. So as they've indicated here, as a chat moderator, you'll be answer for these texts anonymously, and for every message you send, complete training course before begin, prove that you're 18, something like that. Quick application age check, this is the process. So you have to apply, they'll check if you are of the right age, faster training, flexible. So now, since they'll be verifying your ID, guys, make sure that you live in a country that is supported. To begin the application process, you have to go to the application form and click there, and then you will arrive. It will basically scroll you down to this stage. You arrive at this stage, enter name, email, and the countries. So now there are particular countries that they take from, and there are certain countries that they do not take from. Now for myself, I applied from a country that is not accepted. So if you do not live in a supported country, you're going to get the message, this message in red right here, that unfortunately we're not recruiting chat specialists from your region. We wish you the best. But if you do, you will you will see this message. Thank you for filling out the form. You will soon receive an email from us with information about the text, the next steps in the application process, If you do not see any email, please check your spam folder stuff. This will be the response that you're going to get after filling that form, and they'll send you an email here. So this is the email, right? It informs you that you've completed your sign up. After verification, we'll contact you and schedule a meeting for a training session. We look forward to working with you. So this is what you'll get. So I don't know how many days it takes for them to verify, but I don't know, maybe a couple of days. Now I've applied to another chat moderator, and ever since I haven't received like much of a response, so I'm still waiting. So guys, that's all about Chat and Text Factory. And again, if it is something that you want to do, you can try it out, but for me, I would love to chat with strangers and get paid. But yeah, it might be a good side hustle for some people, but yeah, it depends on your personality, and maybe it's something that you are willing to or you're comfortable doing and things like that. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you in the next one.
Business plans, company profiles, letterheads, resumes, and proposals. All these are very important in setting up your business and yourself for success. Hi, my name is Koliambez and I'm a business writer, designer, and consultant. I specialize in crafting professional business documents and also offering consultancy services for different businesses across industries. The documents are well written, well researched, and professionally designed to suit each and every business needs. Now, get ready to stand out from competition and get your documents done today. You can reach out to me using the provided details, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.